Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you what Snapchat Plus is. So let's go ahead and open our Snapchat app. And once you open it, we're going to go ahead and hit the top left profile icon. And we're going to hit the top right gear icon. Now underneath email, you will see Snapchat Plus. If you choose that, it'll come up with a couple of options here. Now, Snapchat Plus is a subscription service, and I'll go into what it gives you in just a sec. But as you can see here, you can get 1 month for $3.99 per month, or you can go ahead and do a year, 12 months for $39.99 per year. And on the bottom, you can see you can start a 7-day free trial. But if you do that and you do not want to pay for it, make sure to cancel that subscription before the trial ends. So if we go ahead and go to learn more above the 1 month option, it's going to go through a bunch of different things that Snapchat Plus gives you. So just go over a couple of them. What you'll get is you will get a best friends forever, and it will pin your #1 best friend. Story rewatch indicator. This will show you how many people rewatched your story. It will give you a special badge, and you will be able to customize your app icons and themes. You can also do Bitmoji backgrounds, things like that. Also, what this means is that if Snapchat rolls out a new feature, you will get dibs on trying that feature out first. And you can just customize your Snapchat app way more than if you are just on a regular account. If this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.